Hello my dear students, today I am going to teach you how to find minor and cofactor of an element. After doing this I will go next how for its applications and all that. My request is, go through the topic nicely, it's always in the paper with good percentage. Wherever it is with good percentage. And one more request is there, do not read the sums. See the sums, take the statement from there and do it stepwise. Only then you will be able to do. So our topic is how to find minor and cofactor. How to find minor and cofactor of an element. How to find minor and cofactor of an element. Now minor, the determinant of the submatrix, the determinant of the submatrix after deleting the row and column of the element in which the element is. See it once again carefully. The determinant of the submatrix. It means minor is the determinant of the submatrix after deleting the row and column of the element in which the element is. This is what we call a minor. For example, one 3 0 2 0 1 3 4 5. This is the matrix. We want to find minor of an element. Say minor of 1. We want to find minor of a 1. That how we can take. See it carefully. First is we want determinant. It means it is the determinant of the submatrix. Determinant of the submatrix after deleting the row and column of the element. Now 1 is there in first row, delete it. 1 is there in first column, delete it. We are left with 0, 1, 4, 5. That is how we can find the minor of the element, minor of the element. See, I am explaining it once again. It is so simple, minor and cofactor. If you fail to do this, you won't be able to go next with the reverse linear joint. The determinant of the sum matrix after deleting the row and column of the element in which the element is. Here I have taken the example of 130, 201, 341. I want to find minor of 1. 1 is there in first row, cut that row. 1 is there in first column, cut that column. We are getting a sum matrix with the elements 0, 1, 4, 5. Go for its determinant, which will come out to be 0, minus 4. Thus, its minor will come out to be minus 4. That is how we are supposed to find the minor. Now, I am going to find the minor of say 4. Minor of 4. See how we can find the minor of 4. 4 is there in third row. Cut the third row. 4 is there in the third row. Cut the third row. 4 is there in second column. Cut that column. 4 is there in third row in second column. Cut the third row, second column. We are left with 1, 0, 2, 1. Sum matrix is 1, 0, 2, 1. And for this sum matrix, go for its determinant. So we will get it as 1 minus 0, that is 1. That is how we can find the minor of a 4. So, similarly you can find, say, the minor of 1. So that how we can find? Same concept. Go for the sum matrix. Minor of 1. 1 is there. Here, see, here we are having 2, 1. So differentiate the 1. If I want this 1 is A for the element in the second row and third column. See this carefully. I am going to find the minor of 1. There are 2, 1. If you want to find the minor of this 1 is in the first row and first column. With this 1, you will write A1. I am finding the minor of this one. This is there in the second row and third column. So I will write minor of 1 to differentiate these 1. A to 1 means in the second row, third column. Equals, after deducting, find the sum matrix. This is what we are supposed to deduct, row and column. Sum matrix will come out to be 1, 3, 3, 4. Sum matrix will come out to be 1, 3, 3, 4. 1, 3, 3, 4, then go for its determinant. That is 4 minus 9 equals minus 5. So like that, we can find the minor of the matrix, minor of the element of the matrix. So I think you have got it properly. After that we are supposed to go for cofactor. How to find the cofactors? Cofactor of an element is cofactor of an element is -1 power I plus j into minor of the element. See this carefully. Cofactor of an element is -1 power I plus j mij. Mij stands for minor of the element. Mij is for minor of the element. Cofactor of an element is -1 power I plus j, minor of the element. And then minor of the element, it means first we have to find minor. Suppose I want to find cofactor of 4. Suppose matrix is 1 3 0 2 0 1 3 4 5. I want to find minor of 4, cofactor of 4. Now 4 is the element in third row, second column. 4 is the element in third row, second column. Then how we will do it? -1 power third row, second column, minor of 4. Minor of 4 means m third row, second column. Like that we are supposed to go for the cofactor. It means first we have to find the minor of 4. So minor of 4 third row, second column, as we have done already for the minor. So how to go for the minor? We have done just now only. That is, cut the row, cut the column. Cut the row, cut the column. See here, you can cut the row like this. Cut the column. We are with 1 2 0 1. 1 2 0 1. Thus, it will come out to be determinant of 1 2 0 1. So simple it is. Cut the row, cut the column, 1 2 0 1. So that will give you the minor. So which will come out to be 1 minus 2 is the determinant. 1 minus 0 Here is 1 into 1 1, 0 into 2 is 0 equals 1. So minor we have got as a 1. Therefore cofactor of 4 with the element position third row second one equals, use the identity of the matrix cofactor, minus 1 power I plus j, minus 1 power I plus j, that is 3 plus 2 into minor, which we have got it as 1, thus minus 1 power 5 means minus into 1, so which will come to be minus 1. Like that we can find the cofactor. To find cofactor, first we have to find the minor. So go for the minor, like m. Minor of an element is denoted by m, and cofactor is denoted by a. Suppose I want to find cofactor of, let it be 2. I want now cofactor of 2. That's how we can two is in second row first column. Second row, put it like this, second row first column. That is 2, 2, 1. 2 for element, then 2, 1 for second row and first column. How we can find it? First go for m of 2, minor of 2, that is element is 2, 1. Or you can fully write it as minor of 2 minor of 2, that is m second row first column equals, cut the second row and the first column. Second row first column we are with 3 0 4 5. Three 0 4 5. Its determinant will come out to be 15 minus 0, that is 15. So therefore cofactor of 2 with the element 2 1 equals minus 1 power row plus column into its minor of 2 1. Thus it will come out to be minus 1 power 3, that is minus 1, and minor we have got it as 15. So minus 15 will be the cofactor of this 2. Like that we can find minor and cofactor. I hope you have got it properly how to go for minor and cofactors. So if you have got it properly, kindly subscribe and like it. I am working for you, and from you people I am expecting only subscription and like it. So next, hello my dear students.